Welcome back, students. It is often believed that it was British colonialists, those who introduced the rule of law in India. Some people they believe that British colonialists, when Britishers they came in India, they introduced rule of law in India, and historians they have disputed this claim on several grounds. So some historians they said that it is not like that. They claim it is not true that rule of law was not implemented by British colonialists, and two such claim they have included here. The first is that colonial law was arbitrary. Arbitrary, we have already discussed the meaning of this. That means make any kind of law according to one's wish. So here historians they claim that colonial law was arbitrary, and second was that the Indian nationalists played a prominent role in the development of legal sphere in British India. So two claims are there. First is that colonial law was arbitrary. They are making any kind of law. Like if you consider this image, this is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So this incident took place in Jallianwala Bagh, where thousands of people were killed together, including women, children, old people, without any reason by General Dyer. So we cannot say that this was introduced by British colonialists. Rule of law. Rule of law we have already discussed. It is everybody is equal before the law. But Indians, they were not treated equally as Britishers. And second is Indian nationalists, they played prominent role in the development of legal sphere in British India. How? Because the Indian nationalists, they put pressure on British India for taking some legal decisions, or make some laws for the benefits of Indians. Otherwise, they are not interested in making any kind of decision for Indian citizens. So one example of the arbitrariness that continued to exist as part of British law is Sedition Act of 1870. So one of the example of arbitrariness of British India is one law. This is a British law which was passed in the year 1870, and it is Sedition Act of 1870. Now the idea behind this sedition was very broadly understood within this act. What they wanted, any person, according to Sedition Act of 1870, any person who protests against the government or criticize the British government, that person could be arrested without any kind of trial. Any kind of trial means nothing would be asked from that particular person, and nobody is going to listen what they are to say. They would just arrest them. Those people were arrested by the British government and put in jail just for protesting and criticizing British government. Okay, so these are the arbitrary laws, but sometimes these are beneficial for Indians as well. Sorry, by mistake I have said that it is beneficial for Indians as well. So you can see here Britishers, they are not treating Indians equally, and they are making laws arbitrarily. Colonial law was arbitrary without any thinking this should be there. They are making laws just like that.